Hey guys, welcome back to the shop. Today I'm going to be working on another ring, but I will be using a couple different woods. I'm going to use some sapele and some walnut together, making a little sandwich. One wood in the middle, a couple on the outside. So I'm thinking that'll look pretty good. I'm going to make sure to keep the grains perpendicular to each other with the layers. I've seen that it helps a lot with the structure of the rings, especially if you get them kind of thin. You want to make sure you do that so that they don't bend and snap. So let's get cracking. Since I have the blank glued to a scrap block, I need to take light passes so I don't knock it off. I've had a lot of experience with these blanks flying off the lathe if I take too hard of cuts, so I try to keep them light. It just makes my job easier. expanding ring mandrel yet to put on my lathe. So what I do is turn a small mandrel at the end of the scrap block, and I just try to get it as close as I can for a friction fit. So what I'm doing here is just testing it to make sure that I can seat it level with the lathe, and I'll just try it a couple times in different areas to make sure that it gives me the best, straightest surface area when I'm doing the finishing at the end. For finishing the ring, I use a CA glue, and between each coat, I give it a light sanding with a 320 grit sandpaper. And that's it. I got the ring done. It actually went pretty smoothly. Didn't have any hiccups. I think it looks pretty nice. And that perpendicular grain really makes a cool shine when you look at the grain from different angles. It'll show up differently in changing light. There was only one part where I got a catch, and it was too close to the inlay section. I wasn't able to really turn it out, I guess. So I just worked at it with some extra layers of glue, and it looks fine. I think it looks nice. Only I know it's there unless I show it to you and tell you. So that was a pretty fun project, and I've got some other ideas that I'll be working on next time. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next project.